Good morning students. Today our topic is mode. We know that mode is that value of variate which has maximum frequency. That means which repeat maximum number of times. For example, if we have series 6, 4, 3, 5, 3 and so on, we see that 6 occur most frequently, means 6 occur 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. So, in this case, mode is 6. We have second example, discrete frequency distribution. We have a data in which size of shirt and number of shirts are given. We see that size 42 occur 26 number of time. So, mode of data is 26 in this case. Now we will find mode of group frequency distribution. In case of group frequency distribution, it is not possible to find the mode by simply looking at the frequency. Instead, we can locate a class with maximum frequency and this class is called model class. Now, working rule to find mode of group frequency distribution. First step is we will obtain the group frequency distribution. Second step is we will locate the maximum frequency. Now the class having maximum frequency is called model class. Now step 3 is we will calculate the mode by following formula. Formula is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. In this formula, L is the lower limit of model class, F1 is the frequency of model class, F0 is the frequency of class preceding means before, preceding to model class, and F2 is the frequency of class succeeding the model class, succeeding means after, and H is the class size. H is class size. We will do it by following example. We have to find the mode of this frequency distribution table in which it is X and it is F. In this frequency distribution, we firstly locate the maximum frequency. We see that in 12, 7, 6, 16 and 6, 16 is the maximum number. In this, 16 is maximum, therefore 16 is maximum frequency.